I'm Aubrey, and since moving onto the ocean over 10 years ago with my tiny pink boat, I've been dreaming of a big, beautiful pirate ship. And finally, I did it.
All right, we've installed the starter.
My big kids are almost grown now. And we've seen the beauty of nature and the power of the wind and the magnificence of the sea. Now I have a beautiful new baby on board, and we are about to embark on a brand new adventure from this beautiful pirate ship. We are headed to the Panama Canal. Join us for an adventure of a lifetime.
It feels like it's been forever! Watch out!
The goal? Panama. But currently we're on a side quest in Athens. I've known Bobby White from sailing Doodles for years, and almost for as long we've been trying to make a plan for our sailing paths to cross. So we find ourselves in Greece.
Go Violet, go Violet, go Violet. Push it.
Welcome back to Sailing with Lone Star. I've said this over the last few months and the last several episodes. Bobby, you have just really inspired me. It has been a joy to collaborate with you, and I am creating weekly videos again, and I am so happy and excited and fulfilled bringing these videos back to you each week on Sunday. Moreover, Bobby's doing something really radical. He is raffling off his boat, which is a bigger sister to Houdini. It is a 56 CT, and it's beautiful, and he is just raffling it away, and so any one of you can be the proud new owner of the Sailing Doodles boat, so go check his stuff out. And if you love a classic boat as much as I do, head over and check him out. Bobby's got me inspired to do my own kind of giveaway, so if you're interested to find out more, go to sailingwithlonestar.com or check me out on Patreon to get all of the details.
Hi, Biddy.
Istion Charters has given us the opportunity to explore the beautiful Greek islands on a 38 lagoon from their Catamaran fleet, and we are truly soaking it in. Violet is still nursing, and having a young baby on a catamaran has been a welcome change of pace.
Alright, so this boat has single line reefing, which makes it, I mean, if it works, it makes it easier to use, honestly, but like, if it binds up, it's always a pain in the ass, so pull up the main now.
Bobby's been doing most of the sailing, and it's been a nice change for me, because for the past many years, I've been the captain.
Alright, ease out on that a little. Yeah, no, ease it out. Okay. We're good for now.
Okay.
All right, we're hauling ass. Just sailing. We got.
In the Mediterranean, you'll notice, most sailboats don't pull straight into a dock. They back in. It's called a med-moor.
I'm glad that Bobby is on the helm right now because tight quarters make me nervous.
Yeah, it's fine.
It's a rental.
Cats are easy to drive. I mean, like, they're easier than a monohull for sure.
Oh. We're slow. We're relaxed.
I'm hoping there's space. I don't know. It looks kind of tight. I think we're gonna have to go like right here. Are you ready on the anchor? Well, get it down a little and get it ready. Don't drop it all the way yet. You want to pull a fender off of the left side forward, and in case you need it on the back. Hang on. Let it out. Let it out. Let it out. Hang on.
All right, we're clear.
Yeah.
I can see that Bobby's nervous, and it's showing as he tries to give us instruction. Med-mooring can be difficult. It's not as easy as Bobby is making it look.
So we have just completed a med-mooring. It's called med-mooring, is that right?
Med-mooring, yeah.
Med-mooring. And it was interesting. Bobby was at the helm, thank goodness, because I get stressed out coming into tight spaces, and as you can see, our neighbors here, we are pretty tight. We're tight. So our anchor chain fouled, and Jordan noticed it straight away. Thank you so much, Jojo. And we were able to unfoul it, but Bobby's just swinging around in this tight little basin like a pro. Yeah, and nailed it. Good job.
Good recovery.
Good recovery. Yeah, but it was a little bit of a clusterfuck. Kerfuffle.
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyways, there he is, looking sexy, pulling some lines. Yep. Triceps popping.
Line math.
Woo!
He loves us.
Yeah. He's on the other end. That's good.
Instead of using finger piers or long docks like in the US or Caribbeans, marinas here are designed to fit as many boats as possible side by side. So you drop your anchor out front or pick up a lazy line that's attached to the seabed and reverse into the dock astern to.
Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Take me home, country road.
Uh-oh.
Came in, we had lunch, we all took a glorious nap, and now Jordan is going to
It's already in the oven.
she's already put the bun in the oven. So this type of, I think he said called it med-mooring. When I think of mooring, I think of picking up a mooring ball out in the water. This to me would be docking, but it's stern too. So it was really interesting. We had lunch and I took a couple little clips of these tiny little slips that people are trying to get in and park the boat. And it is, you know what, it's a little scary. Bobby did a good job. So basically what you do is you drop the anchor in front. If you see this right here, drop the anchor and then you back into your spot here and then you throw your lines to the side, and usually there's some kind gentleman ready to pick them up, and then there's some kind of dog and pony show that's happening right here. And you have these little ladies. Hi, my baby. And then the passerelle. Yeah. So I'm pretty thrilled to be here and to be collabing with Bobby. Finally, we're doing it. Here he comes. So I'm just gonna start saying nice things. Just kidding. He just saying how wonderful you are and how happy we are to be here with you.
Hey, happy to be here with you guys.
And if you haven't seen his channel,
Yeah, you don't need one.
oh yeah, so we're gonna cook some dinner and we're just gonna relax. I have been so relaxed since we've been here. It's so nice to be here with two of my closest friends. It's been a real treat. So, living my best life. Although I do really miss Houdini. But am I switching over to the Catamaran Club? Maybe I am. I know that this catamaran that we're looking for is for a very specific and special project. I do still really love Houdini. She is magical, but it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work I love doing, but yeah. So anyways. Getting all up in it. The Jordan special, she says, kale beige. Ooh, there it is.
Without telling me you're in the Mediterranean.
Ooh, yeah, yeah it is.
Okay.
The wind was so free. All right, Jordan, thanks for cooking. It is fantastic. Cheers, guys. it's a team.
I loved going down there, but they're...
Have a baby, they say.
You're gonna put this on YouTube?
Yeah. You're gonna cry on YouTube?
No.
This is my life, 365 days a year. I live on a tiny sailboat somewhere in the ocean.
Good morning, world! We are doing rigging things. Good morning, world. We just put up the sail. Good morning, world. It's coffee time. Good morning, world. We are ready for action. Good morning, world. Good morning, world. We're in Mexico. Good morning, world. Another day. Good morning, world. Today, I'm going to do nothing.
So happening.
I am here taking guitar lessons from Simon. No, I'm not. Real deal. So let's go to the beach and see what we can get done. Good morning, world. I am making breakfast. Brother's here. He wants to do karaoke. I'm ready. So much cheaper than a parrot. Ow! Greyhound time. I have a face that belongs to the greyhound. I was thinking that I would spend my 40s surfing in Hawaii.
Fun.
All wet.
All wet. All wet. All wet.
I'm not sure what I'm supposed to be doing now. I'm gonna stand here. I don't know what to do with my hands. Ready.
Now you can.
Okay. You got it. My mom said I could. My favorite fans are the ones that blow hot air up my ass. So my 12-hour flight has turned into a 22-hour travel thing. I was gonna video the food for you guys that we ordered, but I got excited and ate it. So the recap is that we did not do anything that we set out to do, but we did have a good time. Hello, daily vlog people. Fusion outfit. The good news is my sleeping tablet wore off. The bad news is my sleeping tablet wore off. Well, 2 dozen oysters and now 3 glasses of wine, and maybe I am feeling a little frisky.